how to add pop-up in Wix website 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about pop-ups and how you're going to add one in your Wix website. So to do this, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come over to add elements. And once you come over to add elements in your Wix, what you can do is you can create transitions out of these pop-ups as people scroll down. So let's say I'm going to add some random image that I want to pop up, right? So I add this over here. And what you can do is you can actually go ahead and add animations and effects. And let's say I want this to go ahead and pop up. So to pop up, let's say I'm going to have it float up like this, okay? For example. So you can also customize its timing, how the duration works, and to get a preview, you can see this. So if you want it to pop up immediately, look at that. It pops up. You can add a delay in it as well. So just like that, your design is going to pop up. So if I were to go ahead and preview my website, as you can see, it's going to pop up like that. So that is how you're going to add a pop-up in Wix website in 2025. And this doesn't only apply to images. You can do this with any element that you have. And that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.